guys, it's Gracie, and today I'm kind of, I just wanted to talk for a minute. So basically today is July 23rd. I don't know why I had to look at my phone for that. Yeah, today is July 23rd and it's the 10th anniversary of One Direction. Yeah, it's been a really stressful day. Basically, so I was going to stay up all night because like the interviews with like Liam and Niall were going to be happening like 3 a.m. Wait, yeah, one was at 3 a.m., one was at 4 a.m. my time. I kind of wanted to listen to them, but then I was like, no, it's not worth it. I'll listen to them in the morning, and I went to sleep. Woke up once around like 3:30 I think, and nothing was happening, so I was like, well, it's a good thing I did go to sleep because I would be literally dying right now if I had enough. But then I woke up at like 8:39-ish and I look, and that was when, I don't remember who, one of them had just tweeted. I actually think it was the One Direction account. I don't remember. It's been a blur, but, and then before that, I think Louis the first one? No, Liam was the first one to tweet. So yeah, Liam had tweeted already, and I was like, I saw it and I freaked out. I was like, oh my god. And then Louis tweeted, then Niall, I think, something like that. So yeah, it's been an eventful day for sure. I'm wearing my One Direction shirt. This is from the Take Me Home tour, which I didn't go on. I've never seen them live. I've seen Liam, but yeah, that's it. Anyways, and I was supposed to go see Harry July 28th, I think, but you know, they postponed it. Yeah, it's been kind of a crazy day. Still waiting on Zayn to tweet. I don't think he's going to at this point. It's only 4 on the East Coast, so I don't know. Maybe, probably not though. I'm not counting on it, but it's been a lot of disappointments for sure. I've been live tweeting basically since last night. So if you want to go follow me on Twitter, it's Gracie with 4 E's Jade, and I tweeted a lot in the past 24 hours. More than normal, to say the least. I don't get on Twitter like super often. Like I probably get on it like maybe once a day, but I've been on it non-stop for the past like 24 hours. Like I've been on it non-stop. I'm sorry, this is really hurting me. Let's see. Okay, I'm moving the camera. I can't. Yeah, it's been kind of crazy. And then so I've been just listening to One Direction all day. There's actually this playlist on Spotify that's really nice. Let me find it. It's what I've been listening to in the car because we like went to Starbucks. So it's One Direction and then in parentheses solos plus 5 sauce. So basically it is every single One Direction song that's on Spotify, all the solo One Direction songs, including Liam and Zayn, because I know some of them exclude them, which if I was to make one, I would probably exclude most of both of them just because I don't really like their music very well. Yikes, sorry about that. But wait, does it have Zayn's? Wait, why are Zayn's not on here? Oh, they are. Wait, no, they're not all on here. That's really weird. Okay. I don't know, not all the Zayn's are on there, which is very odd, but okay. Also like the live versions and stuff aren't on here, but, and I don't think the person, they haven't added Magic, Irresistible, or Truly Madly Deeply, which just came out on Spotify. Oh my god. So that also happened. Oh, and another thing, Louis followed Harry on Instagram, which I don't really know why they're like all not following each other, that's like really weird to me. Like I don't know why. Like it's just kind of weird. Like why would you not be following your ex-band members? But yeah, so he followed him back, or not followed him back, but followed him again. Harry doesn't follow him. And then there's another playlist I've been listening to called Larry Stylesen, but in a very specific order. So it's basically all the songs that are supposedly like Larry, plus a few others aren't by Louis, Harry, or One Direction. Also, Taylor Swift is releasing an album like tonight. I'm kind of like, why would you do that today? Like, I don't really think it's the best time for that. But you do you, Taylor. Oh my god, I just remembered her and Harry dated. Also, patiently waiting for the Infinity music video. My theory is I think it's going to drop the 29th because they released that like schedule of like when they're releasing like the 4K videos. So I think that they're gonna drop it the 29th. Today my school posted that we're gonna be allowed to wear shorts, but they have to be fingertip length, but like who owns fingertip length shorts? Like very few. I don't know, it's just like not a thing people like a lot of people own, especially in Indiana where people don't have a sense of style. So like for the boys it's fine because they're just all gonna wear their basketball shorts and their like 7-inch inseam shorts that they always wear. But like girls, it's like I try to eat on my mom shorts, which are probably the longest pair of shorts that I own, and they're not fingertip length. My running shorts aren't fingertip length. Like I don't know, like I'm still gonna wear them. It's my senior year, I'm gonna wear shorts even if they're not fingertip length, whatever. I'm like not looking forward to going back at all because I don't know if we're gonna have to wear a mask all day because our governor just released like the thing where if you're like in public you have to wear them, but like they told us that we wouldn't have to wear them in the classrooms because the desks were gonna be 6 feet apart, but we were gonna have to wear them in the hallways. But like it's gonna be a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna like show something. So I kind of want to like show my room a little bit because I need advice on what to do. So like right here I think I'm gonna put a like jewelry organizer for like my necklaces and stuff because I have all my bracelets right here. And then I also have some necklaces in here, like this one, one that my papa gave me. I think this is a necklace. Yeah, just a few things. And then also I need to do something for sunglasses and stuff because I'm planning on getting more. But yeah, so I have like my Polaroid wall here, so I'm not going to do anything else on that wall. But that's what I'm thinking of doing over here. And then I have like my TV and stuff, like, okay, you know, the usual. But then right here, this wall was blank until the other day, and I went to the thrift store and I found this record, which I thought I loved that color. As you can tell, it matches my nails. Oh my god, it matches them perfectly, actually. That's so weird. So yeah, I got that record there for, I don't even know, very, very cheap. And I just printed all these pictures out and I hung them up. So this is like my One Direction ones, and then like random print. And then I have my 5 Sauce ones in a random print. And then that's Luke and Petunia, and then just a random print. And I'm gonna print more and add them. Oh my god, my MacBook's there. Okay. So then I have like some tickets. Those are crooked, but whatever. I'm gonna fix them later probably. So I'm thinking here I might put some vines and some lights maybe. And then I'm just gonna cover like the rest of that wall with stuff because I have like my 5 Sauce sign poster coming. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. And then my new bedspread's coming in tomorrow. I'll show you guys tomorrow when I get it. But this one I've had forever and it's got like stains everywhere, like food stains, pen marks. Like it's so, you can't even see any of them, but like they're there, I promise. It's just disgusting. And I got my new one from Urban, so like as you can tell I kind of just did that so it'd be neat. But I have like blankets covering, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get more pillows and stuff too. There's a pillow on the floor. So yeah, and then over here, I don't think I'm doing anything right here, just because I like having like the empty, but I might do something small. I'm not sure yet. I might put like a mirror there, or shelves. And then right here, I'm gonna get a bigger mirror eventually. But for now I have this one from Walmart, and this is not tape, it's like ribbon because it was making holes or dents in my wall without them, so I put them there. And then I have this area, you know, which is just kind of perpetually messy. Like those are dirty clothes. These are clothes I'm selling. What the heck? Is that my phone? It has never made that noise. Okay, anyways. So yeah, I'm selling these clothes on my Instagram. My Instagram for clothes is tadowthrift. If you want to go check that out. I have a t-shirt drop coming up, and I don't know if it's already up by the time I post this video. I just kind of wanted to film something and like get something put out there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It's actually not it because I forgot I was gonna show you some stuff tomorrow. Oh, and I'm hanging out with my friends, so I might vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah.
Hello, good morning. I'm a mess. My bedspread came in today, so I'm gonna put that on right now. Let me set you guys up. This is my bed. Okay. So this is my new comforter slash quilt. And this needs washed, so I think I'm gonna have my mom wash it because it's really dirty. That's just like a throw blanket. And then this is the quilt I've been using. I really like this one because it's not very thick, so it's really nice. And this is my comforter I showed you yesterday. It's Chevron.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out.
This is what she looks like. Really cute. Kind of like chaotic, but like I like the energy, you know.
I don't have no time for no antics. Smile, smile for the cameras.
Sydney, what the frick? Yeah, you seen yourself?
No. Oh frick, there's a lot of bugs.
Hey, bugs.
Go away, oh my god.
I'm literally so scrunched up here. I don't like this at all.
Are you recording? Mm-hmm. Let's go to the mall.
Like, we just came over here and Mariah was like, ooh, we should take her car. And I was like...
But like at first it was a joke because I didn't know the keys were in it, but Drive. Facts!
She said, stop.
No, don't let her in! Lock it! Drive. Lock it! Lock it! Eli.
I mean,
Here while we're at it.
Sid's car.
Can we go?
I'm in Sid's car.
Let's go, let's go.
What?
Go.
You need... What? What?
Let's go!
Wait, what is it?
We need to leave her. Drive, that's what we want.
Sydney.
No, don't let her in!
There's a car.
Oh. They look around us.
Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down.
He says, I'll try. No, you said not to do it that hard.
Do it harder. Do it harder. Harder.
I'll wait for Joey. Sid, hop off. I want to see him throw Joey.
Jump. Yeah. Wait. One of us stand down here and let's act like.
That's actually really fun. Sydney, how fun is it to be pushed in like a circle like this?
I love it.
I love
Let
it.
me stay by the trees.
Is this like just trying to kick us all in the way?
Oh my god.
Hey back.
No, that's what he did.
Didn't he act like you're walking? She's like, how do I do that?
You look like Mary
walking.
Yes.
Sid, why does it look like you're walking right
Can
now?
we tie the bike to it?
Spin and
My God,
Can
we tie the bike to it? Yourself.
tie the bike.
Tie the bike.
Tie the bike. Tie the bike.
That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.